Hey everyone, my name is 𝐁𝐌𝐖 𝐗𝟕 I'm actually the BMW genius here at BMW of Macon. And one of the things I'm going to demonstrate right now is probably one of the biggest mistakes X7 owners buy when it comes to buying an X7, okay? And that's the foldability of the captain's chairs versus the bench seat, okay? So, to the right of me, we're going to go ahead and start on the one that's got the bench seats, okay? So as we walk around here, okay, when I hit the button, it's gonna fold all these rows flat, okay? So when I go back here and all my seats are up, but I need them folded down for whatever reason, if I hit the max button, as you can see, it'll go ahead and fold down these seats first, and then it moves the two seats forward and it'll fold these seats down. So, as you can see, both these rows are folded down perfectly flat, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back over to another 2024 BMW X7 that has the captain's chairs, and I wanna show you guys the difference. So follow me over. People think that they can fold the captain's seats fully down. You can't. So let's hit the max button and I'll show you exactly what happens. So, same process just like as the other X5, it folds these seats down. It moves the captain's chairs forward, but then it moves them all the way back. So this I've seen be somewhat problematic for most people. They say, well, so if you took your door handle and you moved it all the way forward, it moves the seat forward and then raises it up. But then here's the downside, okay? If I get inside this seat, my driver's seat, when I hop in my driver's seat and I want to move my seat backwards, I can't do it. I can only move it forward because it senses that the seat is not locked in place. The biggest thing is you can't move your back forward while that seat is moved all the way forward, and more importantly, it doesn't lay flat. So if you wanted to move a small mattress or a queen size mattress with the captain's chairs, you're not going to be able to do it because they don't fold flat. So this is one of the things that if you're thinking about buying an X7 and you're thinking about the bench seats versus the captain's chairs, this is one advantage that the bench seats have over the captain's chairs. And that is the fact that they can fold completely flat. So if you needed all second rows, all the second rows, the seats would fold flat on the bench seats as opposed to the captain's chairs. So if you're thinking about purchasing a BMW, please stop by here at BMW of Macon. And my name is 𝐁𝐌𝐖, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Bye-bye.